welcome back to Brittany Olivia, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing on Klaiyi hair. You guys, I just got a new wig. You guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So you guys, this is Klaiyi hair. And let's see what's inside. Got a curly wig, you guys. Last time I bought from them, they had their stuff in a box instead of a bag. I like the bag better than the box. So it came with the scarf, you guys. First thing that came out was the scarf on your head. Came with a wig cap, and this is the wig, you guys. So I thought they would have put the name of the wig on here, but it is not on here, so I will put it somewhere in this area, the name of the wig. The length is 20 inches. I do know that much. So this is the wig. It has some blonde in it. Let's see how it looks. The hair is really soft. For right now it is. It's really pretty, you guys. The color is gorgeous. Here is the parting area. It is a lace front. This is the inside, you guys. 2 combs here, a comb at the bottom, and it has adjustable straps right here, you guys. But y'all, this is a really nice wig. I can't wait to put it on. It's so soft, you guys. It's so soft. Like, even though it's been colored, the hair is still really soft. So you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I just put the wig on. As you can see, the lace is here. Here is the parting once again, you guys. The hair is really soft so far. I've only had like a few hairs come out, not a lot. Once again, it feels really soft, you guys. It's really soft. So I'm gonna come back after I finished it, you guys. I don't like a middle part on me. I think my forehead is too big for a middle part, so I'm gonna do a side part. I didn't want to disrupt the coloring in the front, but I'm gonna have to because everything comes in the middle part. So I'm gonna have to do a side part and see how it looks there, you guys, and I'll be back when I'm done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I'll be back with the finished product.